That's on different wheel.
Decal.
Daddy on different.
Yep, you gotta wait. This was here.
Decal. Rear wheel.
What did it say, Colin?
One wheel.
No, it said rear wheel.
Real wheel.
Yeah.
Decal.
What's this one say?
Window web. Three, two, one, go!
Daddy, we go fast.
You're going
Go
fast.
fast.
Really fast?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh,
Say beep 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 beep.
beep, beep.
Get out my way.
Away.
Beep beep beep. Here, swipe it and play a different one.
Different.
Sports car. Sports car. Sports car.
Let me watch her.
Uh-huh.
Rear mounted engine.
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 Frame.
Train.
Frame.
Engine cover.
And a tubby.
Engine cover, yeah.
Help.
Help? What do you need help with?
Engine cover.
Dungeon. Engine paper.
Engine cover.
Driver's seat.
Tubby seat. Daddy, how?
Driver's seat.
Goes right there, Bobby.
Right here.
Yeah. Good job.
This one.
Right door.
Right here.
Yep, what did it say?
Tubby
Right
seat.
door.
What did it say?
Rear fin.
One thing.
Rear fin. Yeah.
Rear fin. Roof. Front clip.
Any.
Left
Tires.
door.
What, Bobby?
Tires.
Tires.
Left door.
What'd that one say?
Tires.
Rear
Yes.
wheel.
What'd it say?
Wheels. How wheels.
Yeah, rear wheel.
Ow.
What?
My body hurt.
Your belly hurts. Are you hungry? Eat another donut. Want Dad get it to you? Huh? Yeah, I can hand it to you.
Come on.
Yeah. What's wrong with this one? What's wrong with this one? You bite it. That's yours. Want me to eat it?
Air intake.
And Tintin.
You want to play a different game?